HSK levels 1 and 2 mainly functions as an interrogative pronoun used to inquire about quantity or date and time. 1. Inquiring about quantity. Inquiring about quantities under 10. Purpose. Used to ask for the specific quantity of something, typically for situations where the quantity is less than 10 or relatively small. When asking about quantity, 几 must be followed by a measure word classifier. Structure 几 plus measure word plus noun. Example sentence 老师有几本汉语书 How many Chinese books does the teacher have? 2. Inquiring about date and time. Purpose 几 is often paired with terms related to date or time to ask for a specific number. Example sentences. Inquiring about the day of the week. 今天星期几? What day of the week is it today? Inquiring about the date. 今天几月几号? What is the date today? Inquiring about the time. 现在几点? What time is it now? Inquiring about age. 你今年几岁? How old are you this year?
你有几个杯子？你有几个杯子？
How many cups do you have?
我有4个杯子。我有4个杯子。I have 4 cups.
你的猫吃了几碗饭？你的猫吃了几碗饭？
How many bowls of rice did your cat eat?
我的猫吃了1碗饭。我的猫吃了1碗饭。My cat ate 1 bowl of rice.
你认识几个外国人？你认识几个外国人？
How many foreigners do you know?
我认识3个外国人。我认识3个外国人。I know 3 foreigners.
昨天你买了几件水果？昨天你买了几件水果？
How many pieces of fruit did you buy yesterday?
昨天我买了5件水果。昨天我买了5件水果。I bought 5 pieces of fruit yesterday.
你想喝几瓶水？你想喝几瓶水？
How many bottles of water do you want to drink?
我想喝2瓶水。我想喝2瓶水。I want to drink 2 bottles of water.
这里有几辆出租车？这里有几辆出租车？
How many taxis are here?
这里 有7辆出租车。这里有7辆出租车。There are 7 taxis here.
你有几张电影票？你有几张电影票？
How many movie tickets do you have?
我有2张电影票。我有2张电影票。I have 2 movie tickets.
请问你们家有几个房间？请问你们家有几个房间？
Excuse me, how many rooms does your house have?
我们家有6个房间。我们家有6个房间。Our house has 6 rooms.
你写了几页作业？你写了几页作业？
How many pages of homework did you write?
我写了4页作业。我写了4页作业。I wrote 4 pages of homework.
你在中国住了几年？你在中国住了几年？
How many years have you lived in China?
我在中国住了3年。我在中国住了3年。I have lived in China for 3 years.
今天是星期几？今天是星期几？
What day of the week is it today?
今天是星期二。今天是星期二。Today is Tuesday.
明天几月几号？明天几月几号？
What is the date tomorrow, month and day?
明天10月29号。明天10月29号。Tomorrow is October 29th.
现在是几点几分？现在是几点几分？
What time, hour and minute, is it now?
现在是4点15分。现在是4点15分。It is 4:15 now.
你的飞机几点起飞？你的飞机几点起飞？
What time does your plane take off?
飞机上午9点起飞。飞机上午9点起飞。The plane takes off at 9 a.m.
你晚上几点睡觉？你晚上几点睡觉？
What time do you go to bed at night?
我晚上10点半睡觉。我晚上10点半睡觉。I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
你们几点开始学习？你们几点开始学习？
What time do you start studying?
我们8点整开始学习。我们8点整开始学习。We start studying at exactly 8 o'clock.
医院几点关门？医院几点关门？
What time does the hospital close?
医院下午5点一刻关门。医院下午5点一刻关门。The hospital closes at 5:15 p.m.
你们学校放假几天？你们学校放假几天？
How many days does your school have a holiday?
我们学校放假3天。我们学校放假3天。Our school has a 3-day holiday.
这个电影几点结束？这个电影几点结束？
What time does this movie end?
电影7点05分结束。电影7点05分结束。The movie ends at 7:05.
你打算坐几个小时的火车？你打算坐几个小时的火车？
How many hours do you plan to take the train for?
我打算坐5个小时的火车。我打算坐5个小时的火车。I plan to take the train for 5 hours.
你的女儿今年几岁？你的女儿今年几岁？
How old is your daughter this year?
我的女儿今年4岁。我的女儿今年4岁。My daughter is 4 years old this year.
你弟弟几岁会说话？你弟弟几岁会说话？
At what age could your younger brother speak?
他2岁会说话。他2岁会说话。He could speak at 2 years old.
你奶奶今年几岁？你奶奶 今年几岁？
How old is your grandmother this year?
她今年70几岁了。她今年70几岁了。She is 70-something this year.
你的邻居家有几个孩子？你的邻居家有几个孩子？
How many children are in your neighbor's house?
他们家有2个孩子。他们家有2个孩子。Their house has 2 children.
小明，你几岁了？小明，你几岁了？
Xiaoming, how old are you?
我6岁了。我6岁了。I am 6 years old.